Financial year 2025 could be another stellar year for the IPO market. The Indian companies are actually looking to raise more than 1 lakh crore rupees via IPOs in the fiscal year 2025. Hello and welcome. You're watching Business Today TV. I'm Sakshi Batra, and in this video I will tell you what can you expect from the world of IPOs in this new financial year. Well, a report by investments.com, which is an investment and a trading platform, has indicated that a total of 56 companies have already filed their documents with the market regulator SEBI to raise a target of 70,000 crores so far in the this current financial year for via IPOs. Now, at present, as many as 19 companies have already secured the regulator's approval to raise 25,000 odd crore rupees. Additional 37 companies are now eyeing a substantial 45,000 crore rupees to be raised via IPOs, and they are eagerly awaiting for the regulatory clearance as well. Notably, among these 56 prospective IPO candidates, there are 9 new age tech companies collectively seeking to raise around 21,000 odd crore rupees via IPOs. So, IPO market is poised for another exceptional year, driven by domestic capital, which is constantly increasing, improved governance, thriving Indian entrepreneurship, favorable government policies supporting FDI flows, rising financial literacy, and the diligent institutional investors' money that's been pouring in as well, and the stock markets, which are now soaring to newer highs despite the headwinds of elections and of course central banks meetings lined up for this fiscal year as well. Now, many IPOs are in the pipeline, reflecting a robust support for the Indian economy, and with diverse offerings and a strong appetite for capital growth, the IPO landscape for FY25 promises to be a dynamic one and a vibrant one, offering exciting opportunities for investors and companies. So, which are these IPOs that are going to be coming up? While we do not have the full list, a few names are already coming up. In the fiscal year 2024, remember, 76 companies had tapped the public markets through IPOs. They raised about 62,000 crore rupees, an increase of 19% to the previous year. And this time around, this money, cumulative money, could be as high as 1 lakh crore rupees. Remember, for FY24, the IPOs that had come up, the average first day gains actually stood at most of them at 28%. Meanwhile, about 70% and more, or 55 stocks, are still trading above their issue price as well. So therefore, which means a lot of the basket from the IPO space actually gave investors a way to make money in the stock markets. Now, as far as fiscal year 2025 is concerned, we spoke to Mahavir Lunawat, who's the managing director at Pantomat Capital Advisors. He's anticipated that an equity raise via IPOs could actually exceed 1 lakh crore rupees, and this figure could also potentially increase further if there are no global shocks affecting the Indian market. So the names that I was talking about, Go Digit Insurance is the first one that we will be looking at. Swiggy has indicated that that will be also applying for an IPO and looking for a listing pretty soon. Ola Electric has already got the regulator's approval, and that will also be coming up with an IPO. Wari Energies is another one, and Brainbees Solutions. These are some of the names that are already waiting for listing in FY25 and launching their IPOs in FY25. And among them, we will see a whole host of new age companies also coming out as far as the IPO space is concerned. So keep watching this space, as on Business Today TV, you will get to know where are the potential opportunities for you as investors really coming up in the world of IPOs. Hello and welcome. You're watching Business Today Television. I'm Sakshi Batra. Well, the first ever